Action. So today we are going to learn how to do facial exercise. It is very important to enhance your facial expressions. So we will start with eyebrow. Expand your eyebrow. Bring it closer. Expand. Closer. Expand. Close. So this exercise you have to do 12 times. You have to repeat yourself for a 12 time. Second is your eyes. This is called tratak. Look at the one spot. Don't blink. It's very important as a film actor, because of the spotlight. You have to learn to not to blink, and this exercise will help you in enhancing your acting skills, your concentration towards your eyes. So keep looking at the one spot, and this you should do it, but not strain yourself. Repeat it again, no issues. If you face any problem, hold on for some time and repeat it. But I would advise that you speak to some doctor or the consultant if you find too much of strain in your eyes before doing this exercise. Next is roll your eyes clockwise and the anti-clockwise. This again you have to do it 12 times. Very nice. Reverse it. Okay. Now move your eyes towards your clock. Suppose you are saying 12 o'clock. 6, 3, 9, 12, 6, 3, 9. So this exercise also you have to do it 12 times. Each exercise you have to repeat it 12 times, and this you have to do every day to bring flexibility in your face. Next exercise is your nose. Expand your nose and then contract. This particular exercise will help you in setting up a anger mood, sad mood, and stiffness from your face, and stiffness from your face will go away. Keep doing it at least for a 12 time. Okay. Next exercise is your mouth exercise. Roll your tongue. Yeah, again clockwise and the anti-clockwise. Do it reverse. Next exercise is make a sad face, fully sad face. Extreme sad face and extreme happy face. So below, up. Down, below, sad, happy, sad, happy, sad, Now open your mouth and give me your tongue and make a sound. I mean, you can do it again. I mean, you're looking pretty good. Okay. So these are the facial exercises which you have to do it, and I'm pretty sure you will do excellent in your exercise. So keep repeating yourself, keep doing it, and you will turn out to be a very good actor. Thank you.
Thank you.